Most common editing tasks in Camtasia Studio. After completing this video tutorial, you will learn what are the most common editing tasks we do in Camtasia Studio. We listed around 9 different operations we do regularly when you are editing in Camtasia Studio. Apart from importing the media into the media bin, the first one we do is split the media into different parts. Second most common editing task we do is cut the unwanted parts. Third one is extend the frame. When we want a frame to stay for some time, we have to extend the frame in the video. We do it generally more commonly. And fourth one is we add annotations to our tutorials and screen records. And after that we add titles and transitions to our edits. And we also add animations like scale animation, position animation, rotation animation, and opacity animation. We do different animations to give some impact to our edits and video. After editing visual parts, we come to add audio and we try to remove noise from your voiceovers or voice narration records. In the timeline, generally, when it becomes complex, we do grouping of the media to make the timeline number of tracks simpler and clear. And ultimately, when everything is complete, total editing is completed, we save the video as a image or we save the video as a video file. These are the different types of editing tasks we do very commonly in Camtasia Studio.